What's going on with your life? You look like you're ready to show the physique. What's going on with your life?
All right, so I have a few questions that I
Mhm.
already like wrote down.
Okay, let's be prompt.
All right, so what's going on in my life right now? I work because I'm an international student, so I work on campus in the US.
Okay, cool.
So as an international student, you're not allowed to work off campus and stuff.
Okay.
So I have a work on campus, so they gave me my SSN and everything. Is a resident assistant, so they provide me with like housing and
Mm-hmm.
meal plan and stuff like that. But the pay isn't, it's just like a stipend.
Mm-hmm. I got
So,
it.
yeah, so I have some pre-made questions. So, one was that I currently study computer science with a minor in biology.
Okay.
And I have, I have some questions. What can I do now to secure me a job? What ventures can I go into that can work for me if tech doesn't work? Um,
I would not be relying on that. I would not even be trying to risk that because you're in a particular situation, right? Like, not only is tech already going to shit, right? But you're an international student. So for you to get a visa, the company that you work for will have to fund, they will have to literally sponsor that visa. You know that, right?
yeah, I know that.
Right. So that's a very tough position. You're in a field where that is losing its merit, and then you're expecting to not only get a job, but also that company fund you and sponsor that visa. So that would be crazy. I don't know if I would do that. I would try to
So,
figure out. I would try to figure out what I can do in terms of industry that I can get sponsorship, because that's the most important thing. Once you get the sponsorship, if you get the sponsorship, then you can start to figure out your life out. But the thing about America is, if you don't have that sponsorship, all the degree means nothing. Technically, you got to go back to Nigeria.
yeah,
Does that make sense?
yeah. So, what can I do? Like, do you say I switch like majors because I'm a junior currently?
Oh man, you're a junior. Whew.
But
Do
I'm
you already
currently
have
pursuing a minor in biology. So, do you
what
think I should
a
take it
minor
as
in?
a double major?
I don't know what a minor in biology is going to do for you.
I can probably um probably do an accelerated course in nursing or something.
Gotcha.
So just like a year.
The nursing would have been a safer route, to be honest. Uh, but right now, you're already in computer science. Do you have an idea what you're going to do in terms of who's going to hire you?
Not really. I've been applying to like internships and stuff, but I'm still waiting for like responses because
Yeah.
and if you get like internships, they can easily like give you a higher back.
A hire back?
Yeah, like after graduation because they already like know you and stuff.
Yeah, but remember, it's not just a hire back you need. You need them to sponsor your visa.
Right.
How many years is on a visa?
So I think it expires like next year or something. But if I still have my I-20, I can still like stay and stuff.
Your visa expires next year. So that means they gave you a 4-year visa.
Right.
Gotcha. And you don't have a plan yet on how you're going to get a sponsor. That should be your number one priority.
Mm.
So if you need to go work for a smaller company or something like that for them to sponsor you, that would be the best thing. Because you're in a tough spot. You better wake your ass up. Like, you're gonna have to go back if you
I've
don't
been
get.
trying, bro. It's really difficult for also the tech field and stuff.
I know. This is why listening to our parents isn't the best thing, because our parents don't know how the world moves and how fast things change. All right.
Right. So apart from that, like I also want to like later venture into like a business of mine. So like what do you think I start doing now that would like help me
You
elevate
need to
later?
figure out what problems you can solve with the skills you already have. So if you're in
Like
computer
tech
science,
skills?
yeah, of course. Every company needs tech skills. A lot of businesses need tech skills.
Mm.
That's a very viable business.
Okay.
Okay.
And I also want like some looks waxing. My hair is currently, if I take off the durag, I'll have some lines. So should I still take it off or?
Yeah, bro. Come on. Let's get
Oh,
it.
shit. Can I get my hairbrush real quick? It's just
You
here.
don't gotta do all that, bro. I trust that the hair doesn't look bad. Come on, come on,
It's
come on.
bad, bro.
All right, get the brush, bro.
Just a second.
Y'all dudes want to come on here and look perfect. Oh man. So what was the hairbrush supposed to do? It didn't do much.
He didn't do much, bro.
Oh my goodness. I was expecting the okay, so look, your hairline is let me see that hairline.
Yeah, I've been using this.
Yeah, that's the Nigerian hairline, man. All our shit fucked up. You better get.
I've been using minoxidil though, so
Okay, keep using minoxidil.
it brought out some light corners, so I think it's working well.
Okay, so just be more consistent with that. Let's see the physique.
All right.
Keep the pants on. Keep the pants
Sure, sure.
on. All right. So I mean, your physique is okay. You're 19, so it's you got some potential. Just if you're going to the gym, just keep doing that. Be consistent. I would say maybe stop using the do-rag, bro. I feel like it's pushing your corners back. Leave the do-rag alone and just let your hair sit naturally. All right. Try to get stronger in the gym and your body will look better. Okay. What's going on with women on campus?
I'm not really like locked into that, so
Who said you had to be locked in?
like I'm not like focusing on that right now.
Who said you had to be focused on that? Whenever it comes to women, you guys have the best excuses. Why? Who told you to be focused on women? Do you like women?
Sure.
Right. Do you want to be with one?
Yeah, but not now though.
So you waiting for marriage?
No, for intercourse, yes, but like to be with one, yeah, I can be with one currently, but I'm not in one currently.
But not intercourse.
Yeah.
You can only have sex when you're married.
Yeah.
Okay. But if you want to wait till you're married, when do you plan on getting married?
Years to come.
Okay, then that's fair. But if you guys like girls and you want to date women, you can also start working on that because you got to figure out what you like. It'll be very stupid of you to wait till you have money to then start worrying about girls. Because what you're going to do is you're going to lead with your wallet because you don't know how to attract women, see which one is good for you or not. Women are a skill.
Right.
I don't know which part of this world, all the stories you guys have heard of men getting fucking scammed, finesse, going to literal insane asylums, like because of the women they deal with. I would start working on them now. All right. In my opinion, you don't have to. It never has to be a focus, but you don't want to neglect it. All right.
So you say I get like leaner?
No, you need to get stronger. You don't need to get leaner. You need to build more muscle, but you're young, so it's going to take some time.
And I've been like trying to get like defined abs, but you see like there's definition, but it's not like defined and stuff. So I've been trying to work on that. I don't know if you have some tips.
It's gonna take time, bro. You need to build some more muscle. Track your progressions in the gym in terms of your weightlifting, right? Eat the right foods, high protein diet.
Yeah, I'm currently on keto diet.
No.
I'm currently on one.
What the fuck are you doing keto for?
Like to get shredded and stuff.
Get shredded from where? You're mostly bone. What the fuck are you shredding? Man, just eat some fucking protein and eat. You can eat carbs, you can eat fat, you can eat all that shit. Just eat it Don't make fucking carbs or fat the bulk of your fucking nutrition. High protein, moderate carbs, low fat, get stronger, and you'll be okay.
And I got some, like, I don't know if it's hormonal acne.
Right. Okay.
So it started like,
I can't slow down. I can't spend 30 minutes with you. You guys got to understand that. I got to get to other people. All right.
yeah. So I just wanted to ask about the acne lastly.
Okay. The acne, you're going to have to go to a dermatologist. And if it's hormonal, you ask them to give you some idea on what you could do. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Peace.